Hey guys, so I got this from Dollarama today. It's a cinema light box. So it comes with all those letters there and some styles right there, and you need batteries for this one, so I'll show you how it works. Alright, so this item includes 85 letters, numbers, and symbols. And here they are in a small plastic bag. And here's the actual product. So I'm gonna put some words in here, and I'm gonna try to show you with batteries in. So alright guys, this item requires four AA batteries there. I'll show you what it looks like when it's lit up. Alright guys, so this item, display I'd say, actually fits in down there up to 7 characters easily, but with our last name Tolentino with 9 characters, I kinda have to overlap some letters there. So this one has the 4 AA batteries now. So I'm gonna turn it on and show you what it looks like. Whoa, that's actually cool. It's like a, you know, those display boards in the cinema houses. Looks like that. So this is totally worth it for $4, guys. Again, I'll turn it off and show you. It's like that. I'll turn it on. And boom. Beautiful. This one has some holes at the back, so if you want to hang them up somewhere like there, see, it's nice. All right, that's it guys. I hope you like my review, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.